Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome once again to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here on, I guess this is Christmas week, yeah? Christmas week, yeah. And we've got nice, warm, sunny weather here and super great background from our last day of transmitting from this great building on the 10th floor. We're at WIDOK Towers, which is developed by S+B Group. And we decided to turn the camera around and show you a bit of the outside today. And, really nice sunny weather from up here on the 10th floor. So a good way to end the day, I think. Yeah, a good way to end our...
Start the day.
Start the day. Good way to end our week here. So, we wish, of course, everyone Merry Christmas. That's coming up, and we hope that everyone's keeping safe as well. A lot of shopping going on. I was in the mall yesterday, very busy. We're doing whiskey tasting tonight for our whiskey and cognac bar that will be hosting the Retail Awards January 27th in the InterContinental Warsaw. So if you're a retailer and you haven't signed up yet, or you're a shopping center or a retail owner and you have space, we've got quite a lot of retailers coming and all looking to expand. Let us know what's going on with you guys and what's happening on the, if there's any opportunities. And we'd definitely like to cover it in at the event. Also, we got a new sponsor called REIT City, so take a look at them. They're on the website. Quite interesting. New technology with us now. New sponsor. Also, we have the MIPIM magazine coming up in March. March is right around the corner now. When we wrap up Christmas, and then all of a sudden it's New Year's in January. So we're wrapping up, working on the MIPIM guide, the real estate guide for MIPIM. So let us know if you want to be in, if you got any information for that magazine. And then right after is the 17th annual SEE Awards in Romania. So this is our longest running event, or probably the longest running continuous event in Southeastern Europe, covering the commercial real estate industry. Very exciting. A lot of new things coming up there as well, and we're just starting to talk to some of our clients there. So having said that, Winston, you got some interesting news for us today?
Yeah, I've got some
good stuff. Today, so we'll do take a little break, watch a little bit of information about this building, WIDOK Towers, right in the center of Warsaw. Still some opportunities to leave space on some of the upper floors. I guess the lower ones are gone. So we'll take a little break, and we'll be right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com. So, welcome back. Winston, good to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you, Craig. And nice to be sitting here with this great view today.
Great view of the outside. Normally, we're looking at the outside.
Yeah, not so sure it's warm today, though.
You don't think it's warm? It was very warm when I here in Warsaw when I got out of the car.
So here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And as you know, Panattoni, they entered Hungary earlier in the year.
Okay.
And they bought 2 plots. And now they've started to build these plots. And this is spec development. So they've got some big plans and very confident in the Hungary market. And the first plot is about 30 kilometers from Budapest, and it's called Panattoni Park Budapest West. And it'll have around 75,000 square meters. Mm-hmm. And there's also a second plot, which is City Logistics Budapest, which is about 12 kilometers from the capital. And that one is obviously more last mile kind of city logistics, as they call it these days. And both investments are incorporate around 100,000 square meters of leasable space. And according to László Kemenes, he's the head of Panattoni in Hungary, he says the market is growing dynamically with a high demand and limited supply of modern space. At the end of the third quarter of this year, the vacancy rate was only 3.5%. Over 250,000 square meters of space was under construction, half of which has already been pre-leased. The Hungarian market has excellent prospects.
Wow, great. Well, guys at Panattoni are pretty smart, so I guess they know where to open them.
Yeah, they're pushing out around the region. Staying in the logistics industry and in the investment market in Poland, and 7R sold 7R Park Krakow, Building 4 to Generali Real Estate.
Okay.
This is the second development that Generali has purchased from 7R this year. The building is 33,000 square meters, and it was commissioned in the middle of this year. And it's fully leased and has BREEAM certified at a very good level. And according to Pierre-David Balak, he's the head of logistics at Generali Real Estate, he says, we're pleased to continue our European expansion in logistics, executed through our pan-European dedicated fund, Grelth, with the second opportunity in Poland. With a solid pipeline, we continue our expansion in the coming years in our target countries.
It sounds like they plan on investing a lot over the years.
They've got quite a big portfolio in Poland now. And staying in Poland and moving to the retail industry, and Tree has opened another retail park from its Vendo brand. This one's in Radisson, which is just on the outskirts of Warsaw there.
Sure.
This is a smaller investment, and it's 3.1 million euros, and it's got a leasing area of around 2,000 square meters, and it's already fully leased to some retailers. Kick, Fashion, Media Expert, and Rossmann are the main ones there.
So they're guys, they seem to always get a lot of these core retailers.
Yeah, these are the retailers that like these retail parks, convenience retail, I guess. And now the Vendo Park brand has like 39 retail parks, and 29 of those are in Poland. The others are in the Czech Republic and Slovakia.
Seems like they're opening like one a month these days.
Yeah, well, apparently, according to their CEO, they've exceeded their development pipeline for this year. So, yeah, things are going very well for them. Moving to the Czech Republic, and news from CTP, where Primark, the Irish clothing chain, they've leased another warehouse in City Park Bor. This is the biggest warehouse in the Czech Republic, apparently. The new warehouse is fully automated, incorporating the latest robotic technology. And Primark leases around 80,000 square meters in total in City Park Bor. The new warehouse is 28,000 square meters. It's completely finished and has already been handed over, and will mainly used as a distribution hub. And according to Jacob Kodor, he's the CTP head of business development in the Czech Republic. He says the clear height of the new warehouse is 16 meters, which makes it one of the tallest warehouse buildings in the Czech Republic. And Primark's premises are unique in many aspects, not just the clear height, but also because they're ready for full automated operation. And finally, for today, coming back to Poland, and the EBRD will lend 175 million zlotys for the development and construction and operation of 2 wind farms in Poland. The projects were expected to generate more than 182 gigawatts, are renewable zero carbon electricity a year, leading to carbon emission savings of almost 140,000 tonnes per year. Will support Poland's ongoing energy transition as it shifts away from its reliance on coal. Despite economic crosswinds in the wake of the global coronavirus pandemic, Poland aims to meet a demanding target of 23% by 2030.
Wow, very good. You know, if you watch the local news, it doesn't really show that, but it's good to see that people are, doing what they can do to cut back on coal.
Yeah, I mean, the EBRD is investing a lot of money into this, into these carbon technology and environmentally friendly.
Yeah, I think everywhere in all of our
solar
markets,
panels recently, and now they got wind farms. So
well, they're good at making money and protecting us from ourselves. Well, okay, so that's all we have, huh?
Yeah,
wow.
That's all we need
Such a quick day on the news. So everybody, thank you all for watching our show. We've got over 8,000 viewers a week and over 13,000 on our interviews. So if you'd like to do something on our Coffee with Craig show, we've got weeks that can be partnered with, and we're looking at next year already. So finding the best weeks that fit in with you, we'd definitely like to help talk to you about it. Having said that, if you're going to be watching us for the next few days, great. If not, enjoy your Christmas. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and we'll be seeing you tomorrow. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.